There was a time in my life when greeting people, even just saying hello, felt like climbing a mountain with no rope. My voice would tremble, my chest tightened, and my mind ran faster than my words. I used to stand in front of people, wanting to speak, wanting to greet them, but the fear inside me felt louder than anything I could say out loud. Many of my learners feel the same. The moment of greeting someone in English feels overwhelming. You worry about sounding wrong, being judged, or embarrassing yourself. But greetings are not just words. They are bridges. Tiny, gentle bridges that help us step toward confidence, connection, and communication. So today, let me walk with you slowly, phrase by phrase, story by story, until these greetings become not just English expressions, but comfortable parts of your life. Phrase 1. Hello, how are you? There was a time when saying something as simple as, "Hello, how are you?" felt almost impossible for me. My heart would race, my tongue felt heavy, and I worried people would judge my imperfect English. I know many learners carry that same weight, the fear that someone will misunderstand them, laugh at them, or notice their accent. But the warmth inside this phrase is stronger than any fear. When I first gathered the courage to say it to a foreign visitor, his kind smile melted my anxiety instantly. "Hello, how are you?" is more than words. It is a small act of care. You can use it with almost anyone. Co-workers, neighbors, classmates, people you meet for the first time. You can soften it with a slower tone. "Hello? How are you today?" Or make it cheerful. "Hello. How are you this morning?" Every time you use this phrase, you take a step toward confidence. It is a gentle doorway into conversation, and once you walk through it, the world feels just a little bit bigger and a little bit kinder. Phrase 2. Good morning. There is a soft beauty in the phrase, good morning. I used it for months as my practice phrase because it felt safe, short, warm, and easy. At first, the moment I opened my mouth, I worried. Do I sound strange? Did I say it right? Why is my voice shaking? But mornings have their own magic. When you say good morning to someone, you give them a small moment of brightness. You recognize their presence. You acknowledge the start of their day. And people love that. Imagine walking into work or school, feeling nervous and gently saying, "Good morning." That simple moment can change the atmosphere. It is perfect for teachers, students, co-workers, or even strangers you pass on the street. You can also extend it naturally. "Good morning. How was your night?" Or, "Good morning. It's nice to see you." The more you say it, the more you realize that sometimes the simplest greetings hold the deepest power. Phrase 3. Hi. Nice to meet you. Introductions used to terrify me. My voice would shrink. My mind raced with questions, and I desperately hoped the other person wouldn't ask me too much English. That fear is common. Meeting new people in a new language can feel like facing a spotlight you never asked for. But hi, nice to meet you, turned out to be the phrase that healed that fear for me. It is friendly, polite, and doesn't demand a long reply. When you say it, you show respect. You show interest. you create connection without pressure. You can use it when meeting classmates, co-workers, clients, or even someone introduced by a friend. For example, "Hi, nice to meet you. I've heard great things about you." Or, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm learning English, so thank you for your patience." The moment you say these words, the fear begins to soften, because introductions aren't tests, they are invitations, and this phrase is your first step into a new relationship. Phrase 4. How's it going? There is something wonderfully casual about "how's it going?" It's the kind of phrase that makes you sound relaxed and natural, even if inside you're shaking with nervous energy. I used to practice saying it softly to myself because the rhythm felt so native, and that scared me. But once I tried it with a friend, I realized how gentle it actually is. You can use it with people you already know, friends, classmates, co-workers. It's perfect for those small, everyday encounters. Imagine passing someone in the hallway. "Hey, how's it going?" Or meeting someone at a cafe. "Good to see you. How's it going?" Most replies are short, "Good," or "not bad." This phrase doesn't require a deep conversation. It just opens the door. And sometimes that small opening is all you need to practice and grow. Phrase 5. What's up? I used to think "what's up" was too modern for me, too quick, too casual, too native. I worried I would say it at the wrong time or misunderstand the reply. Many learners feel exactly the same. But once you understand its vibe, it becomes fun. "What's up?" simply means, "What's happening?" or "How are you?" And it is used with friends, siblings, classmates, or people your age. It's perfect for relaxed situations, meeting someone outside, chatting online, or starting a friendly conversation. Most people reply with simple words, "not much," or "just working," or "I'm good, you." Imagine walking into a gym and seeing a friend. "Hey, what's up?" It's effortless. And once you use it a few times, you'll feel that effortless energy too. Phrase 6. How have you been? This phrase carries emotion. It holds days, weeks, months of unspoken meaning. The first time I used "how have you been" with an old friend, my voice softened without me even trying. Because this greeting is not just about English, it's about care, memory, and connection. You use it when you haven't seen someone for a while, and you want to show that you still think about them. For example, "It's been a long time. How have you been?" Or, "Wow, I've missed you. How have you been since last year?" This phrase reconnects hearts. It rebuilds friendships, and it helps you express deeper emotions in English without fear. When you say it slowly and sincerely, it becomes one of the most beautiful greetings you can use. Phrase 7. Long time no see. Whenever I say "long time no see," I feel a warm sense of nostalgia. It reminds me of old friends, past memories, and unexpected reunions. It's a simple phrase, easy to pronounce, and learners love it because it feels playful and heartfelt at the same time. You can say it when you meet someone after weeks, months, or even years apart. Imagine bumping into an old classmate. "Hey, long time no see." Or meeting a previous coworker. Long time no see. It's so good to see you again. This phrase brings smiles because it recognizes the value of time and connection. It says, I remember you, without needing many words. It's good to see you. This is one of the warmest greetings you can give. I once said, it's good to see you, to a student who returned after struggling with confidence. Her eyes softened. She felt valued. That moment taught me how powerful this phrase can be. You can use it in formal situations or casual ones, at family gatherings, work meetings, school events, or friendly reunions. You can expand it gently. It's good to see you again. I hope you've been well. Or, it's really good to see you. How are things going? These words carry gratitude, appreciation, and sincerity. When spoken slowly, they create connection immediately. How do you do? This phrase once intimidated me more than all the others. It sounded formal, professional, elegant, and I worried my English wasn't good enough for it. But the truth is, how do you do is simple when you understand it. It is used in formal introductions, especially in business or official environments, and the expected reply is often the same phrase. How do you do? It doesn't literally ask about your health. It's simply a respectful greeting. You might use it when meeting your manager, a visitor, a client, or someone in a formal ceremony. For example, hello, how do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. Saying this phrase can make you feel confident and professional, even if your heart is trembling inside. Pleased to meet you. This phrase is gentle, elegant, and deeply polite. When I started using it, I noticed something interesting. People suddenly treated me with more respect. Because pleased to meet you isn't just a greeting, it's a statement of appreciation. You can use it in interviews, formal gatherings, special meetings, or any moment when you want to show gratitude. You might say, pleased to meet you. I've heard wonderful things about your work. Or, it's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for your time. This phrase creates a beautiful first impression. It shows emotional maturity, politeness, and sincerity. It is one of those greetings that can help you shine in important moments.